HDB Financial Services Limited IPO. The IPO will be opening on 25th June 2025 and the issue will be closing on 27th June 2025. The issue price band has been fixed at 700 rupees to 740 rupees per share. The lot size is 20 shares. Coming to the retail investor can apply a minimum of around one lot. A one lot in terms of amount it will work out to around 14,800 rupees. Similarly, maximum which a retailers can invest is around 13 lots, which will work out to around 260 shares. In terms of amount, it will be around 1,92,400 rupees. So the allotment date will be on 30th June 2025 and the tentative listing date will be on 2nd July 2025. HDB Financials has maintained a robust double-digit growth of CAGR of around 21%. HDB has made a provision coverage ratio stood at 66.82%. HDB Financials maintains a strong capital buffer and has not raised any equity at all in the last 7 years. HDB Financials has access to funds at just 7.53% cost, which is one of the lowest among the non-banking finance companies. All these are a good sign of a good company. So HDB Financial Services Limited is a good company. When it comes to the question of applying for an IPO, people should do their own research. This is not a buy or sell recommendation. For more information, reach out to us on 9980 1270. Thanks.